Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my first impressions of some new makeup that I received in PR. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright, so today I'm starting off with the Sophia and Maple. I woke up like this. This is a skin perfecting primer from my IPSY glam bag. I have this soap styler stick from Revolution Makeup. Spoolie is nice and thick. Ooh, and then the soap is kind of in the shape of like those thick brow pencils. I'll run this one back and forth like I normally do my NYX brow glue. I don't hate it. But I don't feel like my brows ain't gonna move. I definitely feel like they would move. So lately I've been using like a brow pen, trying to give them more hair-like strokes. Sometimes I like to use my Flower Beauty. This is the Forever Wear Winged Liner in Dark and Stormy. Any good like fine tip marker you can find to create those like hair strokes works. Sometimes I do like to snag like an actual wing liner for a brow pen. I've also just been filling in the shadows of my brows with this e.l.f. This is their like little brow kit. I'm not sure that they sell this full thing anymore, but you can get any like ash brown shadow. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in Fawn, of course. And I'm gonna clean up under. And then what I've started doing is kind of blending it out with a Q-tip actually, because it gives you more of like a natural cleanup, in my opinion. It just depends on the look you're going for. Get you a Q-tip, sis. So now I'm gonna clean up on top of my brows, and typically I've been taking whatever foundation that I wear to clean up on top of my brows. Today we're going in with the tried and true NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Okay, so now that brows are done, I'm gonna do the eyes first, because we trying to see what IPSY talking about. Okay, so we are going to start. This is one of the IPSY brushes. So I'm just tossing some brown in the crease. I'm gonna switch and snag out of this Urban Decay Half Baked palette, naked palette. And I'm gonna take Edible, and I'm just gonna put this in the outer corner just to smoke it a little bit. We are going in with this Lottie London. This is Golden Hour Metallic Eyeshadow. This was from my IPSY bag. It looks like this. I'm gonna take another brush from the IPSY. I'm confused on how this is going to go on because there's so many little like crystals. But let's just try it, and that is gorgeous. And I'm gonna go back in with that dark color from the Half Baked palette and just kind of blend the two together. So because I want to use, again, more products that I received, I'm gonna use my Tower 28 Make Waves mascara, and we're just gonna try it out. I know we have a dynamic eye look going on, and everything, but we're gonna try it. Okay, 2 coats is giving. So before I do any more coats or the lower lash line, I want to go ahead and do the face. And I'm super excited because one of the products I'm going to try out is the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. Now this is the lightest shade they sent me. It's in Tan Deep. So let's see. So what I'm gonna do first is apply it to my face. Because it says it can serve as like a foundation if you want low coverage. Or you can like mix it. You can put it under your foundation. You can mix it. So I want to see like what kind of is it giving? What is it giving? That's what I want to know. So I'm gonna do a little bit on my face, like that, and we're gonna blend it. Off the bat, it's definitely like giving coverage. It's not giving coverage. Yeah, so there is a very sheer level of coverage there. The glow is also very much there. Like, definitely perfect for forehead coverage. Definitely a good like on the go glam coverage. So now I'm gonna take my NARS Natural Radiant foundation and I'm gonna add some of this on my face for some coverage, because since we have this bold glam eye, I want to make sure we have a decent amount of coverage on the face. I'm gonna throw in my L'Oreal Infallible. This is the concealer that I've been wearing as bronzer. This is 420 Cocoa. And I'm just putting this in the normal areas where I bronze. The Halo Glow is glowing even with foundation on. For concealer, I guess I'll just take that LA Girl Pro Concealer again and just do my under eyes. Before I set under my eyes, I have a couple of different blushes I want to try out. One is this Profusion Blush Hour Soft Matte Liquid Blush. This is in Bellini, and I wanted to try it out because it looked familiar, don't it? Maybe this wasn't the right color to get because it looks about my complexion. It's a good subtle shade. While we're here, I might as well try out this Revolution Makeup Liquid Blush. This is their Blush Bomb in Rose Lust. This one looks a little bit darker as far as shade, so I'm gonna just put a little bit on. See how that blends out. Actually, I'm gonna set my face with the L'Oreal Hydra Perfect setting powder. Taking my Micro Smooth powder from Sephora and setting the rest of my face. I do want to add just a touch of brown on my lower lash line. Take this e.l.f. No Budge eyeshadow stick and see if I can get it in my waterline. Then I'm gonna set my face with the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. go back in with my Make Waves mascara, and this time I'm going to do the lower lash line. Okay, so I got this in PR, and the brand says Well People. I want to believe it's a subsidiary of e.l.f. I'm not sure, but I think so. And so I'm just gonna, first of all, let me line my lips, because I always forget to line my lips until after I have product on them. This is one of my old e.l.f. pencils. And then again, I'm taking this Well People Lip Nurture Hydrating Balm. Oh, I like that. It's thick, but it's truly a hydrating balm. It's giving lip mask with a little bit of pigment. And because we have this like kind of cute eye look, I think I want to add a little shimmer to the lips, and I'm just going to take my Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and this is in the shade Topaz. And just add a little shimmer right on top of that. I think that's super cute. And then lastly, I know I said last but not least already, but lastly, I wanted to try out this freckle pen from Revolution Makeup as well. This is in the shade Brown. I know y'all are probably like, girl, you done use so many different products, which I have. However, this is the best way I get to kind of like test out makeup and see if I actually like it, see how it applies, and it helps me hone up on my makeup skills. So I'm gonna take this freckle pen and hopefully I'm not messing up the makeup look by doing this. Okay, I know that looks crazy. First of all, this is very pigmented. But after you do any kind of like thing like that, you want to like use your brush to kind of like look like you put, because anyone with natural freckles, their freckles are kind of like under their makeup, because when they put on makeup, it kind of hides their freckles a little bit. I don't hate it. I think it's cute. I'm literally glowing, so that halo glow goes crazy. I didn't even put like highlighter on. I don't even think I need to. So let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna let my hair down. I think this look is giving side parts, so that's what we're gonna give. So y'all let me know what y'all think. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying out these new makeup products. Like literally, I feel like I got so many products on my face, but I like doing videos like this because I get to test out new products firsthand with you guys, and I get to figure out like what I like and what I don't like. I want to say probably my top couple of things that I tried today has been the Halo Glow, that Well People lip balm, and I like the eyeshadow as well. And the mascara is also giving. So it's a lot of different things that I like about today's makeup look. Again, it's giving super glow. Like even under the eyes, like I feel like I'm still like giving overglow, and I set with powder, which is crazy. So clearly you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. So let me know what your favorite product is that I tried today in the comment section below. Make sure you like this video, share, subscribe, and comment so I can know you guys enjoy videos like this. Y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tiffle. Bye, y'all.
Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.